Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Chevy Cruze LT with the RS package. Stock number B9049B. 43,000 miles in this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Black granite metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start. Power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Pages with driver information system. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system. For radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. Hard keys below for radio and CD player. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead. Power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 38 on the highway, and approximately 75% tire tread left. For more information on this Cruze, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.